Welcome to Learning Lessons with me, Amira. Today, we'll demystifying the most common AI myths. Artificial intelligence is a game changer, transforming industries around the globe. However, as its impact grows, so do the misconceptions surrounding it. Let's debunk some common AI myths. AI is exclusive to big corporations. This is false. AI is accessible to businesses of all sizes. You need an enormous dataset to begin with AI. Not necessarily. Strategies like transfer learning and data augmentation can work effectively with smaller datasets. Only a group of PhDs can implement AI effectively in a company. Incorrect. AI has become more user-friendly, and there are many resources available for learning about AI. AI is only capable of taking over routine or low-skilled tasks. Misconception. AI can automate a variety of tasks, including complex ones. AI self-learns and progressively gets smarter. This is a misunderstanding. AI models need to be trained with data, and they don't improve or get smarter over time unless retrained with new data. Just deploy AI and it starts learning, problem-solving, and automating. Misconception. AI models need to be designed, trained, and tested carefully. AI will replace people or make them obsolete. AI can automate certain tasks, but it's not likely to replace humans completely. AI is naturally biased, ethically problematic, and essentially a black box. AI can exhibit bias, but this is typically because the training data was biased. It's not naturally biased. AI is trying to duplicate the brain or even the mind and will soon gain consciousness. While some AI research draws inspiration from the brain, AI is not about duplicating the brain or the mind. AI does not possess consciousness. AI is a doomsday or salvation device for humanity. AI, like any technology, can be used for good or bad. It's our responsibility to use AI ethically and responsibly. And there we have it. 10 AI myths debunked. Let's continue to learn and grow with AI, using it responsibly for the betterment of our world. Once again, I'm Amira, your guide on this journey of learning. See you in our next video. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to connect with us through our website at amiralabs.com. Enjoyed the video? Give it a thumbs up. And remember, stay updated with our latest content by following us on our social media platforms.